Hello Tesla guys, this is Julia from Tesery. Welcome to my channel, the channel meant to talk about the Tesla aftermarket accessories. Today I will show you the Tesla forged wheels for Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model X, and the Model S owners. We know that the car, in addition to the tires, are in direct contact with the ground. The wheels are indirectly affect the whole car acceleration, energy consumption, braking distance, and safety in extreme case. Tesla original body designed to ensure the range, so pay attention to wind resistance that we are modifying our wheels. Especially to a large size, you are recommended to choose according to their own needs. The first thing many Tesla owners do after picking up their cars is to modify their wheels. However, with many aftermarket Tesla wheels on the market, it can be a headache to choose. Look here, Tesery has introduced a lightweight forged wheel that will easily meet your needs in all aspects of wheel modification. First, let's talk about the adaptability. The size of this forged wheel has been repeatedly tested by precise measuring tools to ensure that the size of the wheel perfectly matches the Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y. In terms of technology, this will use a lightweight forging process. 99% of the cars on the market use cast wheels, and most of them are simple to make compared with cast wheels. Forged wheels are expensive, but of very good quality. Although the appearance of forging and casting is the same, but the production material and the production process are different. They are resulted in the advantages of forged wheels. The forged wheels are more lightweight, the strength as well as are several times of cast wheels. Another point to consider when modifying the wheels is the weight of the car, which requires the wheels to have a higher load-bearing capacity. Whether it's in terms of wind resistance reduction, wheel strength, and a sense of class, Tesery's less weight forged wheels can meet your needs. Next is the appearance. This forged wheel blends premier solid geometry with classic black elements for a very unique look. Especially, we can see the petal design of the wheel. It is a real eye-catcher. This multi-spoke wheel shape is a complicated departure from the conventional six-spoke shape. The shape is regular and therefore does not make people feel complicated, but very advanced. This unique shape with matte black paint dominates the outside, open but not lose temperament. Unlike high-gloss black, this matte black is not harsh at all, and there is no reflection in the sunlight. The surface of the wheel is frosted without gloss, but giving a pure and deep feeling. Combined with our arranging and supply chain advantages, this forged wheel from Tesery is also believed to attract many owners in terms of price. The 21-inch wheel is priced at only $2,126 which we can confirm is only a third of the price of many brands on the market. What you get is of the exact same quality. The sporty visual effect and class of the vehicle is significantly improved with installation of Tesery's wheels, while the lighter weight and higher lightness of the wheels also allow for better dynamic response and safety performance. Tesery has many other styles of forged wheels, which are different in style, but they all work with the same materials. All of Tesery's forged wheels are available for the Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, Model Y, and are based on the original data from the Tesla original cars. Our service team will contact you after receiving your order to confirm the data and the delivery time. After receiving your order, our service team will contact you to confirm the data and the delivery time. We also accept OEM requests for wheel data from owners. If you like the short video, you can follow us or leave your comment. I will introduce more practical accessories in future. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye!